هنتعلم في الفيديو ده 10 أفعال مركبة 10 phrasal verbs مع أمثلة عليهم، وفي نهاية الفيديو في أمثلة من الأفلام كمان. أول فعل مركب معانا هو freak out. freak out يعني يفزع أو يهلع، والفزع مش بس من الخوف، ممكن مثلا حد يفزع بسبب خبر سيء مثلا. She freaked out when she saw the spider. zone out. zone out يعني يسرح أو تركيزه ينقطع. Sorry, I zoned out for a second. Chicken out. chicken out يعني يجبن، ومعناها يهرب من حاجة كان هيعملها. He wanted to try skydiving but chickened out. Lash out at. lash out at يعني يغضب فجأة أو يزعق فجأة لحد. He lashed out at his friend without warning. Butt in يعني قاطع الكلام أو يدخل في الحوار بدون إذن. butt in. Stop butting in. Let her finish. Clam up. clam up يعني يسكت. He clammed up when they asked about his past. fawn over. fawn over يعني يبالغ في التودد، يتملق. He was fawning over the boss to get a raise. brush off. brush off يعني يتجاهل حد، يطنشه يعني. She brushed him off when he asked for help. Creep up on. creep up on. The deadline crept upon me. Drift apart. drift apart. We were best friends, but we drifted apart.
When she freaks out, I freak out. When she freaks out, I freak out.
People listen to me and they zone out. Bored. People listen to me and they zone out. Bored.
Wait till next week, I know you'll chicken out. Wait till next week, I know you'll chicken out.
Instead of trying to communicate, I lashed out and I made a terrible decision. Instead of trying to communicate, I lashed out and I made a terrible decision.
But Johnny told you to stop butting in. But Johnny told you to stop butting in.
He do his clam up. He do his clam up.
See the way he fawns over you? See the way he fawns over you?
Said you brushed him off. Said you brushed him off.
Shouldn't creep up on people. Shouldn't creep up on people.
Sometimes people drift apart, Sometimes people drift apart,